Lorkulup ran with the thunder, chased buffalo dreams, made like the sunrise, stitched into the seams of the marrow's wild story, bold and unbound, till the hands of men came, silent and proud. They tore what they could not tame or trust, left only echoes and buffalo dust.
Olosiadu, the whisper in the wind. Olobor walks where silence begins. Lorkulup, golden in the buffalo dust. Oloshipa's roar now echoes in us.
They fell not to fame, not to age, not to pride, but to hands that forgot what it means to abide. Olobor moves like dust on the black rock trail, eyes full of stories too quiet to tell. The calm in the chaos, the shadow in the light. He vanished one morning, slipped out of sight. No roar, no remains, just silence and sky. And the question that lives where the answers die.
Olosiadu, the whisper in the wind. Olobor walks where silence begins. Lorkulup, golden in the buffalo dust. Oloshipa's roar now echoes in us.
They fell not to fame, nor to age, nor to pride, but to hands that forgot what it means to abide. Oloshipa ruled with fire in the marrow of bone, a roar that could rattle the granite and stone. The hunter came not for battle or test, but to carve out a trophy from a lion's chest. They left the entrails, took glory and pride, and called it conquest while the wild cried.
Olosiadu, the whisper in the wind. Olobor walks where silence begins. Lorkulup, golden in the buffalo dust. Oloshipa's roar now echoes in us.
They fell not to fame, nor to age, nor to pride, but to hands that forgot what it means to abide. Oloshiadu's name was a whisper, a breath in the flame, not carved in stone, but carried in name. The fourth of the brothers, the soul in the pride. He walked where the shadows and memories hide. We never saw how his story would end, but we mourn him as lion, as legend, as friend. They were not monsters, not myths made to fear, but brothers of thunder, of dust and of spear. Their roars were not rage, but the rhythm of land. Their deaths were not fate, but the work of man's hand. And still we remember, and still we cry for the kings who were taken, not born to die.
Olosiadu, the whisper in the wind. Olobor walks where silence begins. Lorkulup, golden in the buffalo dust. Oloshipa's roar now echoes in us.
They fell not to fame, not to age, not to pride, but to hands that forgot what it means to abide. Still we sing, still we stand, still we cry for the kings who were taken beneath this sky. When the stars rise over the golden plain, for how they died, but for how they lived with fire and pride. Their paw prints fade, but their spirits stay in every sunrise.